Hello there! Good day everyone! Those who are watching right now, I'm so glad you're here. Those who are staying with us all throughout the lessons, thank you so much. For parents who keep on guiding their children, giving them support in spite of their busyness, thank you so much. You kids are doing a great job. So just keep on reading and learning to be successful. At last, we've reached day 20 in our online reading tutorials for children. This is the last lesson, but don't worry, there's still more to come, so always stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe or give us a like or share to help others too. Lessons for today, practice reading of words with short vowels A, E, I, O, and U sounds. So children, are you ready? Okay, so let's read the words with short vowel U sound. Let's give the sound first. Ready? B, N, bun. B, N, bun. B, N, bun. Bun. It's your turn. Ready? Next word. S, N, sun. S, N, sun. S, N, sun. Sun. It's your turn. Begin. Sun. Next word. R, N, run. R, N, run. R, N, run. Run. It's your turn. Begin. Run. Good job. Next, read the words with short vowel E sound. Ready? Begin. S, E, T, sit. M, E, T, mit. Now it's your turn. Ready? Begin. Next words. Begin. B, E, D. Bed. F, E, N, fin. It's your turn. Ready, begin. Good job, very good. Now let's read the words with short vowel A sound. So follow this pointer as we read. Ready? P, A, D, pad. L, A, D, lad. M A D, mad. S A D, sad. Now it's your turn. Okay, so follow this pointer as we read. Begin. Good job. Okay, next words. Follow this pointer. Begin. R A T, rat. Rat. B A T, bat. Bat. F A T, fat. Fat. S A T, set. Set. Now it's your turn. Follow this pointer. Begin. Very good. Next, read the words with short vowel E sound. Ready? P, P, E, T, pet. Pet. B, E, D, bed. Bed. T, E, N, ten. Ten. K, E, G, keg. Keg. Now read by yourself. Read by yourself. Follow this pointer. Ready? Alright, good job. Next, read the words with short vowel O sound. Ready? O, on. O, off. On, off. Okay, read. Good job. Next. P, A, T, pot. P, A, T, pot. Pot. Next, it's your turn. Read. Again. Pot. Pot. That's great. Good job, kids. That's all. Thank you so much. Keep on playing this video until you master it. See you soon.